11 KB5029351 BSOD PCs with unsupported processors errors. Windows 11 KB5029351 update crashes device with the blue screen of death errors unsupported processor after user installed the optional cumulative update. The error appeared on supported PC with MSI boards. However, one user told us this could be related to the new BIOS update related by MSI. Microsoft is actively investigating the reports to determine if the issue is caused by the Windows update or something else. The company told us in a statement, according to numerous reports reported by Windows latest, this issue is hitting MSI system. Per reports, uninstalling the update fixes the problem of user. For those unaware, the blue screen of death, usually called BSOD, appears when something goes wrong and Windows attempts to protect the installation, your file and apps by crashing the device. In this case, users are running into the blue screen errors, unsupported processor error after Windows boost for KB5029351. Multiple users confirmed to Windows latest they are running into Windows 11 BSOD unsupported processor after they installed the August 2023 optional patch. One user told us their device with Intel 13th generation processor and a G690 motherboard cannot boot. Windows stopped code is unsupported processor system repair successfully rolls back the update operation after several failed boots, the reader told us. This optional update KB5029351 for Windows 11 22S2 with release on August 22. The official support document indicates no issue, but reports tell us the situation is different. Users have told us the problems are linked to the MSI board, whether Intel or AMD powers them. However, it's important to understand that not all MSI motherboards face the error, and there is a possibility this may be linked to the MSI BIOS update. Various comments and feedback hub posters suggest the update rolls back automatically after the blue screen error unsupported processors. KB5029351 update made by PC BSOD at boot error code unsupported processor. It's automatically rolled back the update to 22.621.2134 after few reboots. PC specification 13900 KS and MSI MPG Z690 Carbon Wi-Fi and latest BIOS 7D30V1D. Another user shared that experience, saying that after the update, their computer showed the unsupported processor errors and returned to the older version of Windows. They pointed out that this problem mostly happens with Intel 13th generation processor. Another report mentioned issues with the i7 13700K and MSI Z790 DDR4 Wi-Fi setups. How to fix Windows 11 KB5029351 unsupported processor errors BSOD. You will be on automatic repair screen, and after multiple reboots, if you are lucky, your device will automatically boot to the desktop without installing the update. However, if you are stuck on the blue screen and nothing works, follow these steps to fix the stop code unsupported processor caused by August update. Force shutdown the PC. Hold the power button again to force another shutdown. When you see the Windows logo, repeat the process 2 or 3 times and you will enter automatic repair mode. To the automatic repair screen, choose troubleshoot advanced option. To the launch the terminal in the blue environment, you can select command prompt from the advanced option screen. In the command prompt, type the following command: WUSA space / uninstall space KB123456 restart the device. Insider did not observe BSOD. User did not report this problem when testing the update in the Windows Insider program. The issue is also not observed in Windows 11 August 2023 a patch Tuesday update which fixed the SSD issues. It seems that changes made by Microsoft to the update when pushing it to the public could be causing the issue, or the root cause it's something else. If you use an MSI motherboard, waiting before installing the optional update might be a good idea.